in such a way that they cannot enjoy their lives. That means they are oppressed. So see, higher class children, when they force the youngsters by taking away their pens, their stationery items, by their books and the kind of things, the children in lower class, they are oppressed. And if you are forcing them to do so, you are the oppressor and they are the oppressed. One who is forcing, one who is dominating the other person is the oppressor. One who is getting dominated is the oppressed. Very good. Come on, come. Prisoner. One who is in a prison. One who is in a prison. One who is jailed. Very good, very good. This is the way you calculate out. I'm coming. I'll come. This one. Millies are a kind of ornament, a kind of base. It's over. Yeah. Abide by, as long as I obeyed my father and abide by the customs of my tribe. Means when you abide by, you follow them. You follow by the rules and regulations of my tribe. When you abide by the customs of this tribe, you follow the rules and regulations of this tribe. Until that time, there was no problem. Obey this. He began to follow obedience, showing obedience. Okay? Right, come on. Obligations are my responsibilities. My responsibilities are my obligations. Is that okay? Emma? Good. Right. Potential is my ability to achieve something. Obstructed means you are here. You are not allowed to achieve your potential. When you are obstructed, you are stopped from achieving your thing. Where is the system in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey! Where is the system here, man? Ashok, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ashok, come here. Why do you go there? You are not the numbers in there. Frightened is afraid. When I'm frightened, I'm not afraid. That's something bad is happening. Law abiding. When you are law abiding, you are a good person, you follow the law without breaking it. When I follow the law, by respecting it, I am a law abiding citizen. When you are a law abiding student, you follow all the laws of our school. So do you want to be a law abiding student? Yeah. Law abiding authority. One person is following law in a proper manner. So, have you mastered your paragraph? Every doubt is clarified? And are you trying to answer the questions? Any doubts? You can ask any doubts if you have. Which question? Discuss and do. What do you think are the obligations to the nation? The nation community obligations. Discuss them, discuss. By talking you can learn. You have to talk, read. Hey, why only one textbook in the whole group? There must be at least 2 to the textbooks. Make use of this textbook. Come on. Don't throw the pages away. Make use of this textbook. Okay? You must return it to me.
Should take and go exam.
That is above her. That does not allow you to progress in achieving something. You want to achieve something. You can't say absolutely smartest. Here, tell me what you want to do. English. Right. You want to achieve something. But because of the obstacles, you can't achieve. Because those obstacles will prevent you from achieving. They will not allow you to achieve. Understood? This way, in a short span of time, we get to learn yes or no. Now, since you are just this time, you are explaining the remaining numbers there. Then you will give a paragraph. You will give some special sheets. There you will cover the whole lesson. How beautiful it will be. Within 1 or 2 pages, we will finish the whole lesson. That way. Make sense? We can really learn very good English this way. Do you agree? Then you have to follow this program very seriously. Then I also come prepared. How prepared I can do this class? Start. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Virtues means I am good for it. If I am virtuous, I have all the good qualities. Okay, that's it. And there are some things you need to learn. You're good for it, no? You change it. Next. How many groups are done with their reading, their understanding, and their questions? Come on. Now, you are expert groups. Remember, you have to take experts in that paragraph, and you have to talk about this paragraph when you go back to your home groups. Understand? Boys, ready? So, those who want, you want 1 minute more? Almost enough. You want 1 minute more? Yeah, last minute progress. Hurry up. This group is wonderful. Everybody has notes, everybody has time. Good. This group needs to have next time in our next activity, all children need to bring their textbooks, station items, notebooks, and nobody should start complaining. I didn't bring this, I didn't bring that, this and that. Remember? Okay. This time excused. Right, done. Here also only 3 textbooks. I must only 3 textbooks. 4 textbooks. Very good. What about the notebooks? 10. Did you write down the questions? Did you discuss their answers? And home groups have to be given tomorrow. Yes. Home group means all the students, right? One for 1, 1 for 2, 1 for 3. Are you divided home group? So come on. You are done? Are you all done with it? No. You are some more time. Hurry up. 2 minutes more. Last 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm almost off. You ready? Good. How many books are ready now? Yours is 5, right? That's very good. And group 2. Group 2. Expert group 2. So you done with your paragraph. Short paragraph. You are ready? Done. Actually, paragraph 1 is difficult. Paragraph 1 is actually difficult because it's a big one and there's a lot of sense in it. But you are doing a good job, right? Good. Next paragraph. Expert group 3. Run the paragraph. It's a short paragraph. Okay. Then expert group 4. You got big paragraph. You got some multiple here. No problem. You are ready to explain now? When we get back to our home groups, you are expert in the paragraph. You are expert in the paragraph to the rest of the people there. Understand now? Do you all understand? This way, we will cover a big lesson in short time. Yes or no? You are becoming experts. You are making use of language. You are reading, you are writing, you are listening, you are teaching. So we will speak some language as improving. Yes or no? Some will be lesson like this. Hereafter, is it a good thing or a bad thing? Wonderful thing. I feel. What do you say? Yes, we will do that. Remaining lessons, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now this is 6, 1, 7 and 8. The same thing we will do. Come on. Good. And if we also start making use of dictionaries, it is a good thing. What about dictionaries, children? You don't have dictionaries also, no? You can bring your dictionaries next time also. Okay? If any dictionaries are available, you can make use of them, I think. But we did ask sir, take permission from sir to get. I just asked him to go. Continue. Continue reading. No. Done? So, boys hold. Time up. Now, please be in your places only. Please be in your places only. Expert group 1 stand up. One boy should be there only. Nana, who wants to be staying here only? Stay back. Others stand up. Stand up, man. Literally. Take your books, take your question paper and everything. Okay? Did you have entered those questions?
No, sir.
Why no? Huh? Okay. At least 3 questions we wrote down. We'll discuss those 3 questions. Okay? Right. So, who wants to stay back here? Sit down. You come to this group. This is group 2. Group 3. Group 2 or group 3? Yeah. Come here. One of you come there. One of you come here. One of you come here. Go to that group. So, expert group. Yeah. 2 members. One word is joining. 2 1. You have also 1 word. 1. Where group form here? Yes. Now, expert group 2. One of you stay back here. Other stand up. You want to stay? Get up. One come here. Come on, make it fast. Very good. Yeah. One of you go there. One go there. One go to last group. One come here. One come here. Take a second. Hey, expert group 1 there. Expert group 2. Expert group 2 there. One and two join on it. One and two. Please stand up and you point. One can stay back here. Please stay there. Yeah, please come and join us. And remain high. One can join there. You understand? One of you come here. One of you go there. One of you come here. One of you go there. Right. So 1 2 3 again. Expert group 4. One boy will stay back here. Yeah. One boy stand up. One boy will there. So you go to that corner there. Very good. 4. One boy here. One boy there. One boy there. Very good. One boy there. Wonderful. Excellent. Super. Now, last expert group 5. One who is staying back here. Yeah. Others. One boy over there. One boy over that group. One boy over there. Here. See how nice. Now we have 5 numbers coming from 5 expert groups. Yes, and you have 6 such groups. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Expert group 5. Get up. ఇక్కడ కూడా 500 అట దాని 1 2 3 4 5 సో now 5 అవ్వాలా సమస్య రూల్స్ లో విశాల్ who is the person expert group 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Now group is complete. Start discussing. Start discussing. Here, who is the person from expert group 1? 1, 2,